Hello, welcome to my unique creations. I'm Dorothea, and if you saw my first video, I have introduced you to my envelope journals, my little envelope journals that I started making not a long time ago. And this is the next one. This is an orangey journal. I just take this die cut out. It's just a decoration and also an addition. It's a lovely image of Style 24 Design Digitals, and I made it as a little pocket, and there are some little pockets inside. I love this paper. And if we go into the journal, there is a frame to put your name in it, or just as a decoration, and there is just a paper in it. There are some dictionary pages. There are some embossed page, or there is an embossed page, but there are some embossed page in my journals in general. Then there is a frame, you can write in it or stick something in it. I so love this paper. It's really pretty. And I have my stamping. Oh, yeah. I have my stamping image, so it folds this one, and this is a number one, and this is a pocket with two tags in it. It's just some paper. There are some blank pages. I left it on purpose. There is a raccoon, a stamping. And there is my usual tea bag, which I think, oh yeah, that's it. Oh no, there is one more little kitten. So there are little kittens in orangish, orange, or also there is a white one, because it went well with the white color, whitish, orangish color. So there are some kittens there to decorate the journal, or decorate something else. And there are also some butterflies going with the kittens, so they go into there. Some blank pages. There's just a tag spot in there. I really love these papers. It's really pretty. There were I purchased them, so I really wanted to try it and make a new journal with it. Then I added some paper there. There's some paper. And this little metal circle thing to tack something in, and also to decorate the page. It's really pretty. And there is some pockets. Well, there is this is also a pocket, a tiny pocket. And then there is just some of my words. There is some orange embossed paper. I love it. It's really pretty. And in this journal there is a vellum in the middle. Beautiful vellum page. Really going well with the journal. I'm really happy how it turned out. There is some orange. Then there is the die cut out, and I just added some a word There are some blank pages, and there is some interesting pages. Now this is just, I'm thinking, it's just an, yeah, it's not stuck, so this is a little digital. This is I cut out of the paper, and this is just a paper. It's a very, very nice, and there also on the other side I made it as a little journaling card. Oops. There are some blank pages on purpose, too. Now these pages are all copy paper, just normal paper. And this one is a jar. I love this little image that I stuck it there. I stuck it there, and that's just my word there. Then there are some other interesting pages. There's some more stamping. There is a little corner pocket there, which I added some little die cuts that can be used in this journal or any other journals or any other places. This is an embossed page, and the usual dictionary pages. And at the end I did it a little differently this time. I added this little, because it's also pretty, and I love this card to go with it, so I just felt like I added. And then there is a little stamping with a word sticker on it. And this is also one of my little booklets that I made a long time ago, and I added it because I think it goes well with the black and orange, and I love this stamp also, so it's really one of my favorite. Oh yes, there is something else there. Ah yes, I added, I don't think there is anything else, no. This was, I think I was planning to use it as a belly band on one of the pages, but I didn't, so I added it just in case if someone wants to stick it on a page as a belly band. Or I was thinking, because it's cut to size, it as a belly band, and I wasn't sure if eventually I didn't stick it down, but it can be stuck down if someone wants to. So this is my little journal, my envelope journal, and it's not fitting. It's not there, it's there actually. So I hope you like my journals and the papers I use. And there there is a nice orange ribbon to go with it. It's really pretty orange color. If you have any questions about the journals or anything else, please feel free to email me or to comment below. And also let me know if you like the journals. Normally I make I enjoy making nature themed botanical journals. So mainly this is what I do, this is what I make. I have a few other journals that like steampunk coming up, that I also made, but my main focus is on nature and flowers. So if you like them, please feel free to let me know. And thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!